Coding is making a computer do something, whether that be a project or a fun activity, to helping save the world.
One of the things I'd say it is a way for you to tell a computer or robot what it should do in order to help you make something.
Girls Code Lincoln has offered me with a lot of opportunities to learn from people they bring in from the community.
It was just a place where I could learn more about programming, and it was specifically for girls too, so that we could be a little more involved than what we usually are. We learn about hands-on activities, so like circuits and stuff like that. And we also learn about the programming languages that we have, and how to write code.
Unfortunately, there's still a pretty severe gender gap in the tech industry, and so we see it as very valuable to introduce technology to girls, young girls, so that they start coding at a young age and they start considering it as a career.
I've learned everything from basics to more advanced programming skills. We do anything from programming hardware and Arduinos to actually programming websites.
Not only does it teach them technical skills and the ability to code, but we also just instill a lot of confidence in them, and we work on empowerment and leadership classes, and I just think it's really valuable for the girls to have that community growing up.
Girls Code Lincoln is a really important part of my life, and it's really just such a strong community of girls who inspire each other to do better.